So guys, it's been 2 minutes now. Let's check this baby's here. Look at this. It's screaming now.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young.
This is just good for two steps. And I'm going to baby potato. So I already boiled it. So we'll So that baby potatoes there is already cooked. So we'll leave this for 3 minutes. Okay guys, I already seasoned the chicken with this ginisa mix. I thought my video is on already, but it's not. And then I add the mushroom and the green peas. And then I will add these baby potatoes now also. And then we'll cover this for 2 minutes. Actually, we can add the cream now. We'll add the cream. So I use the Nestle cream. Not too much. And then I will add the low fat milk. I use the Selecta. So the low fat milk is gonna be a sauce and the cream. So this is how it looks like, and it smells so good already. Look at that. Very easy recipe, but very tasty. And I also cook a brown rice, which is there. So in brown rice I add turmeric and I also add a little bit of salt. So you know the brown rice is very, you know, the taste is not that good because it's, I don't know, I just don't like the taste of the brown rice. But I add the rice every time I cook because I wanted my rice to be like, you know, a little bit tasty. So I add a little bit of salt and turmeric, so it will be, you know, healthier. So yeah, we'll cover this for 2 minutes and I will be right back. Woohoo! So guys, it's been 2 minutes now. Let's check this baby's here. Look at that. It's creamy now. Let's taste this. Oh la la. But I'm thinking to add pineapple tidbits on this one, guys, because I wanted to have a little bit of like sweetness in my chicken mushroom. So this much pineapple tidbits. It's optional, guys. You don't need to copy my recipe if you don't like having pineapple. But I like having it with pineapple because it tastes different, you know, than the usual chicken mushroom we uh, used to have. This one has like, I'm just adding a little bit of twist, you know. Oh my, it's so creamy now. Look. And because my potatoes is already cooked, so we don't need to really, you know, it's almost done actually. Okay, we'll cover this again for another 2 minutes. So guys, let's check this. Baby's here again. Oh, look at that. It's cooked already. Let's have a final taste. Oh my god, so good. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my cooking vlog. As you know, I am a travel vlogger, but because of this COVID-19, cannot be able to travel, so I'm just doing a vlog at home now. So I hope you all understand that. So good luck to you all, and be safe everyone, and don't forget to wear mask every time you go out. Okay guys, thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next vlog. Ciao.